something a little different for you. It's pumpkin season and pumpkin spice season, and don't get me wrong, I love pumpkin. I could eat a pumpkin pie all year round. However, I've made so many pumpkin recipes that I wanted to try something a little bit different for you today. So, stay tuned if you want to see how I made it. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, the Baking Diva. Well, we're going to go in a different direction today. Instead of making something pumpkin, which I make all the time and I love, we're going to make something that I know in Nashville, one of the country clubs, from what I understand, always served the most delicious caramel pie. Now, I haven't been to Nashville. Maybe you've been there, and maybe you've been to the country club and you've had it. If so, let me know. But I'm going to do a really easy, super easy version of it for you today. And it only takes a couple of ingredients. So, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you. Just hit the subscribe, it's free, and you'll get a notification when I have new videos up. So, what do you say we get started? Let's get started. Now, I don't know if most of you realize that caramel is made from sweetened condensed milk. And that's what we're going to use today. So, as you can see in front of me here, this is a tiny slow cooker. And it goes off, low, and high. And I got it in, I can't remember the name of the store, something General, I don't remember, like a Big Lots kind of store. And I think it was $12. And I bought it last year because a lot of times I melt chocolate, and I thought this would be the perfect size to do it. So today we're going to make our caramel in here. So what we're going to do first, and you know, obviously you don't need a small slow cooker like this. You can use your regular size slow cooker. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray the inside of this with non-stick spray. There we go. Okay. Now you're going to need 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk. And that's what I have here. So, after you spray your slow cooker, you're going to put the condensed milk. Whoa, look at this, baby. It's this thick. Woo! You're going to put that in there. It's both the cans. I was going to use my regular size slow cooker, but then I remembered I had this and I said, why not use this? We're only using 2 cans of this, so it's not going to take up much room. And this recipe is called the Unbelievable Caramel Pie. Super, super easy. Hardly any ingredients. So we have 1 can in, and let me put the other one in now. Okay. So nice and thick. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, this time of year, I usually get pumpkined out. I mean, I love pumpkin pie. I love it. And I have to sometimes stay away from it because I don't have any self-control. And I can eat it every day. I love it. Okay, so we have the 2 14-ounce cans of the sweetened condensed milk in there. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my slow cooker on low. I'm going to cover it. And I'm going to let this cook for, let's say, 3.5 to 4 hours. Now, obviously, There's no timer on this. It's nothing fancy. I think I paid like $12 for it or something. But, so when the 3.5 hours is up, I'm going to check it. But after, you'll see, after 2.5 hours, the milk, the condensed milk in here will begin to thicken even more than it is. And then you're going to begin stirring it every 15 minutes. And that turns into caramel. And it's delicious. So when it's thick and it's golden, keep stirring again until it's smooth. And then after, I'll show you what we're going to do next. So I'm going to go have some lunch, and I'm going to let this cook, and I'll be back in a few hours to show you what we do next. So stay tuned. Okay, so this looks to me like it's all done, and I'll put a still picture in for you so you can see it. Now it's thick, very thick, and it's the color of caramel. It's like a golden brown. So I'm going to give it one more swift stir, and then I'm going to put it in my store-bought graham cracker crust. So let me move that over here. All right. I think I need a pot holder. Hold on. Okay. So let me see. Oh, Tabby. It's a big ceramic, let me turn this off. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, as you can see, it's the color of caramel. Okay. Smells good, I mean. Okay, so I'm going to now scoop this, give it a little twirl. And I'm going to put it into the pie crust. Let me dump some of it in first. Oh, look at that. Now, what I'm going to do is, after I fill out, I can't even speak today, after I fill up the pie crust, and you'll have just enough to make it in there, spread it around, then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to chill. And then I'm taking a ride up to, what is it, that Spirit Halloween store, and check it out. I go there every year, and I always do a video on it. I like to see what they have every year, what their displays are. So I'll be there while this is chilling. And then when I come back, I think I'm going to embellish it with a little something. And then, oh yeah, we're going to do a taste testing. So I'll see you soon. And pop it into my refrigerator. Oh yeah. I think this is going to be delicious. Okay, I'm back. Well, this is nice and firm. So while this was chilling, we took a ride up to Spirit Halloween. We had fun. I took some videos so I can put one together for you. And we had dinner. And now we're back. So it's time for dessert. Now, what you really should do on this pie is, I have whipped cream here, the Squirt whipped cream. So you can decorate the top of the pie with whipped cream. You can use a whipped topping if you want, if you just want to put Cool Whip over it. But I'm going to use the real whipped cream, and I'm just going to go around it like that. Looks good. Now you can cover the whole top if you want, or just do it this way. I think I'm just going to put one in the middle. How's that sound? There you go. And then you can put some chocolate morsels on there, some chocolate chips. So I have some here. I'm going to sprinkle a few of those on. Put a couple in the middle. Go around the edges. Presentation is everything. Looks good. And if you don't want chocolate chips with your caramel, I'm sure you can think of something else that you like to put on there. Alrighty, we'll get a few more of them. Can't wait to dive into this. Alright, and I'll put a picture in for you. Speaking of Spirit Halloween, every year they have really cool displays and decorations and stuff in there. And my son went, and my grandson Kyle with his girlfriend Jenna. And I gotta tell you, Kyle is a character. So if you want to see the fun he had in the store, the video will be coming up soon. Alright, so I think that looks pretty good. You can put more or less on if you want. There you go. Put a picture in for you. Okay, and now I'm going to cut a piece of this baby and see what it tastes like. Oh yeah, oh, nice and firm. It feels just like you're cutting through like a soft caramel, but not too soft. These crusts always break, but that's okay. Okay. Put this over to the side. I'll get a little spatula here and get this out. Look at that. Woo, woo, woo. All right. Now I'm gonna do my taste testing for you. And don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe and the bell, and that's it. It's free, and you'll get a notification when my next video's up. So let me see what this tastes like. And if you want a little bit more whipped cream, just squirt it on there. Delicious. And you're talking about basically 2 ingredients: sweetened condensed milk and a pie crust. And then if you want to embellish it, you can put whipped cream or whatever else you want. But I mean, considering you can make a caramel pie with 2 ingredients, blows my mind. And in a slow cooker, you hardly have to do anything. So this is really very good. Chewy, but not hard. Creamy. Very good. And I will put a tiny bit more whipped cream on mine. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Love each and every one of you. And I will be back soon with another video. So don't go away and make sure you come back. Love you. Toodles!